The waves of the Atlantic Ocean reach the east coast of Barbados. Here we often experience land slippage and recently had a landslide due to the unusually large amounts of rain this year. Trenches were dug alongside the road after the road was cleaned. Perhaps gabions and trees with strong root systems will be placed here to prevent erosion and to protect the roads from breakdown and decay. This region's ground cover appears to be predominantly grasses with shallow roots. We also have many casuarina trees on this coast. They drop a lot of needles, making the soil acidic, and nothing much can grow beneath them. Early in 2008, the coast was affected by an ocean occurrence that created waves as high as 20 feet, lasting for a few days. Since then, the grasses and vines which were destroyed by the wave action have grown back in some places. From the colors of the coral rocks, we can see the previous level of the sand and how much sand was taken back into the ocean. This image is almost a year later. Alex's hip height is 2.5 feet. The rains caused a lot of land erosion on this coast. What you see is about 1/3 the amount of debris that was on the beach. Many root systems of the trees became exposed from not only the wave action, but also from the runoff from the land and the small rivers. Some trees are not able to withstand these natural forces. Some plants that can tolerate saline conditions are the sea grape, the neem, the noni, and others. After the rains, we noticed an extraordinary amount of twigs and various seeds on the beach. Sea life and sea plants were also affected by the wave action. So we decided to pick up the plastic waste and glass bottles for recycling at B's Bottle Depot in St. Thomas. We gathered the plant debris and put it at some root systems that had become exposed. Even though we worked into the night, it was well worth the effort. The sea oats plant is currently being used in the region in sand stabilization programs. Research has shown that this beautiful plant with its long root system is the most effective in reducing erosion and preserving coastal beaches.